interrupted with the Atiadlxx.dll blocking your software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. While we cover the technical fix for Atiadlxx, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This DLL file is the AMD Display Library API. It provides a standard interface for applications to query and control AMD-specific graphics settings, such as overclocking profiles, fan speeds, and multi-monitor configurations. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within the AMD Radeon software environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of AMD Radeon software to allow the installer to restore the Atiadlxx.dll automatically. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Atiadlxx message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install the Atiadlxx.dll, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to the Atiadlxx and registry optimization. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored the Atiadlxx functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.